iRobot Roomba 980 robot vacuum with Wi-Fi connectivity, works with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, carpets, hard floors. iRobot Home app lets you clean, schedule, and customize cleaning preferences from your smartphone. Cleans an entire level of your home with iRobot 2.0 navigation with visual localization. Runs for up to 120 minutes, then automatically recharges and resumes cleaning to complete the entire job. Aeroforce cleaning system loosens, lifts and suctions dirt with up to 10x more air power. Automatically increases cleaning performance on carpets with power boost. Use clean map reports to view where your robot is cleaned. Turn on notifications for cleaning status updates. Aeroforce high-efficiency filter captures 99% of allergens, pollen, and particles as small as 10 microns. Tangle-free dual multi-surface brushes handle pet hair with ease. Ask your Amazon Alexa device or the Google Assistant to start, stop, or dock your robot. Full suite of intelligent sensors guide the robot under and around furniture. Roomba 980 delivers the power to help you with the vacuuming, so you can tackle the rest of what life throws your way. Smart navigation allows Roomba